hunters.
Hey guys, so we're in the middle of Hurricane Micheal. It's supposed to hit us at a category 3.
And as you can see, it's pretty stormy out here.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Actually, though, it's Tuesday right now. It's supposed to hit tomorrow. But you know, it's kind of a situation.
A hurricane reporter
Make your bets.
thinks it's just gonna be. I think it's gonna be a bad thunderstorm with heavy winds, but I don't think we're gonna, have to get out of here and like all the houses are gonna be destroyed.
Yeah.
I mean,
The problem is the red tide.
It's
The red tide is so bad. But here's our situation. Okay, Hurricane Hunter Nicole, what you think about all this?
I think it's disgusting.
Ow! I just stepped on something. It smells horrid. Ew! There's dead fish and everything. Ew, oh my god, there's so many dead fish. Oh my gosh. What is all, oh, this is so gross. Look at those waves, oh my god. Nicole, look. Ew! I just got hit by dead fish, you guys. Ew! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Horrible, you guys. This is horrible. Hurricane Hunter Nicole, what is that? What is that? I'm so. Oh, look at that big one. That is so bad. Oh my. Look at those waves. What do we swim with?
They're definitely dead, but I don't know what they are. Dude, look at that one over there, how thick it is.
Oh.
It's a pufferfish. That's crazy. I've never seen
So
one.
terrible. So today we learned that we swim with sea snakes. Never knew that. How do you feel about the sea snakes?
I don't think I like those.
Yeah. Oh, the wind is definitely picking up down here. The waves are big.
Screw a hurricane.
So here's like a trip of the waves. Whoa, look at how windy. Okay, let me zoom in. They're pretty big, especially for here. They're, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go to Las Vegas.
Yeah, a lot of people have their shutters up right now like that.
Die if you try and go surf in this.
We're back to get our shoes and it smells so bad.
We're going to Target to go, Anna needs snacks for her road trip and she's leaving me for the next 48 hours. So, if you guys want to know what I'm doing, it's staying in my house because literally everything in town is closed and the beaches are just deteriorating. So there really is nothing to do.
I'm getting snacks and water and gas all in our town is wiped out. It's kind of bad.
Guys! Great news, sweeties.
My dad's staying back, so I'm not going.
Anna's not going to Biloxi.
No.
And let me tell
I really
you,
didn't want to either.
I didn't want to do anything I said I was gonna do. So now
we're gonna have a fun day.
we're gonna have a fun
hurricane
day.
Again, do not get caught up in the landfall because the impacts are coming sooner than that. As a matter of fact, we could be talking about tornado threats from Tuesday night into Wednesday, and that's well before the anticipated landfall. Here's a look at the areas that remain under hurricane warnings, all the way to the areas that are under tropical storm watches and warnings. Take it all very seriously. This storm surge forecast is very, very concerning, especially for the areas that have the higher forecast amounts of 8 to 12 feet possible. And remember, those waves are going to be big, more than 20 feet. In terms of the rainfall outlook through Friday, there are some locations that can pick up 1 to 1.5 feet of rain.
Oh.
Hurricane hunters.
So we're about to go outside into it, so we need to bring water. Just in case we get abandoned somewhere. We have water.
One bottle, baby.
That's all you need. Yeah, so this morning I would make like waffles. These are just normal Eggos and I kind of burnt them because look. That is a waffle.
So it's 1:34 right now. And we're going to the Dollar Tree to throw.
We're gonna get necessities for our hurricane party.
Yeah, that
Hurricane
sounds
party,
really,
woo!
really bad. And then at 5 o'clock, if it's still open, which I don't know why it won't be,
If it gets too rowdy, it won't be, but
we're going to Olive Garden for dinner.
gotta get that grub, those breadsticks.
Yeah. Just because it's a hurricane, no one said we can't eat good, okay?
I just told Nicole that Walmart was closed, and Walmart never closes. That's how you know this is
Whoa,
serious.
I didn't know if you meant to.
Welcome to our hurricane party. So we obviously need party necessities. First being decor. So for our hurricane party, we chose to get a balloon, which says,
Oh, baby.
"Oh, baby Michael." So then we got little blue balloons because he's a boy. The next major thing we need, since we are hurricane hunters, we need a fancy microphone. Hurricane Hunter Nicole, what do you have to say about all this?
I'm crying.
The third necessity to any good hurricane party is ring pops, because you need something to snack on. So, we are going to say some hurricane facts for kids, because we are hurricane hunters. Hurricane Hunter Nicole.
Well, they are essentially the same thing. The different names usually indicate where the storm took place.
Hurricanes usually form in tropical areas of the world. Okay, that's enough of that. So,
Now we have a fun show for you guys.
oh, I'm already cracking them. So, what is a party without a little glow? So, we got glow sticks, but for this part, we're gonna have to turn the lights off. Okay, let's crack them.
Oh!
Woo! 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 Woo!
Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
now we got some glow sticks. Now this is a real hurricane party. Everybody wishes they were us. Now it's time to dance. We'd obviously rather be here talking.
With our glow sticks.
Yeah, so you see, like 75% of the town has evacuated. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and I think we're gonna hit the hot tub.
Yes.
Hurricane Michael, come at us. I try me. Try me.
Come at us, hurricane hunters. You don't know what's up.
You can't take hurricane hunters down.
Oh, Michael, you're a baby.
So that was our hurricane party. I really hope that you enjoyed. We had a great time doing it.
Nicole already
Gonna
is,
do this whole
she's
thing.
already done.
It's yellow.
Let's go. We gotta get out of here. What did Hurricane Hunter Nicole find? Oh, a shovel is You scared me so bad. I almost stepped on it. Ew, don't do it. Don't do it. Ah, no. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Is it alive?
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Bye. So we just got to the pool. Hurricane hunters are taking a break and hitting the hot tub.
Keep you warm inside.
Ooh, now we're gonna go home and watch a scary movie. I have my cuddle buddy.
We're going up.
Hey guys, so to end this night before the hurricane
It's literally
hits,
so light out.
it's like 4 o'clock, but whatever. We're watching a horror movie and eating dinner. Bye.
Bye.